I'm Ross Maddock with Van Ahn Company with your August 5th closing comments. Corn actually finished up today about 3.5 cents. Soybeans finished up 17 and 7.75, and then Chicago wheat up about 7.5. Minneapolis wheat also trading a little bit higher, about 3.75 cents higher. On the week, corn finished down 8.5 cents. November soybeans finished down about 28.5 cents, and then spring wheat finished about 5.25 cents higher. So it was nice to see the grains come back today to finish out the week after that the ugly start that we had and the dip lower in the grains. We had a couple things that's been going on to support this market. The soybeans, for instance, this morning, another very large export sale announced. That's totaling about over 3 million metric ton over the last 8 days. So that's very encouraging. Also to help the wheat market off the lows today, news of yields in France also coming off significantly lower than what we've seen for many, many years. So that's both a little bit of supportive news in this bearish environment we've been in with these big yields being reported. We are going to be looking ahead in the grains to the crop conditions report, also the progress report and supply and demand report next Friday. We'll be looking, the market in general is going to be looking for larger yields and also probably larger usage in that report as well. So moving on from there, Informa was out with some estimates today. They're looking for 169.8 bushel average yield for corn in this report, and also 47.7 bushel yield in soybeans. Moving down to livestock, they did have a very strong day, closed near their highs. This is encouraging. We had some late day trade in cash yesterday. They came in around 119, 120. That helped us out of the gate this morning, bouncing out of the gate. We finished up lives August about 135 higher. We finished the August feeders up a little over $2. For the week, August live cattle ended up $4.60 higher. August feeder cattle ended up the week $9.60 higher. Hogs continue to struggle. There's just a lot of supply around and a lack of demand to meet that supply at this point. The longer term outlook still doesn't look very impressive here with the expansion continuing that's happened. Also could play a negative role. So they continue to search for a low in this futures market. The cash market also searching for a low. On the week, they only finished down about 75 cents, however, because they recovered off that earlier dip midweek. I'll finish with my with past performance is indicative of futures results. Futures and options trading involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers.